guys, it's Shipface here, and this is this week's cruise news. The first bit of news I got for you this week is that we're on Wonder of the Seas. I'm going on my Central Park balcony. We got a view of Central Park, got a bit of it. It's very nice. We got a really big balcony. So over the last few newses I've been saying about I got a special balcony. This is the difference. Look at the size of this balcony. And this is the price for one. So I will find out, I'll do a whole review about the room, and I will do a review of the ship, and I will find all the cabin numbers that have this room so you can put them on Oasis, Allure, Harmony, Symphony and Wonder, and soon Utopia. So the first bit of news I've got this week is actually coming from Wonder of the Seas, and currently we're on board. They're actually refurbing the mini golf course, so they're actually closed, which none of us got told about. I don't think they would, but for a ship that's literally just celebrated its 6 months birthday, for it to have a whole activity closed, I don't know how long for, it would look like it was like gutted. They've gutted all the turf up, and they're replacing it. So I was just wondering if you want it next week. I'll keep up to date with what's going on with the mini golf course, but at the moment it is closed for renovations. This week at D23 in California, Disney had announced that the name of their brand new ship, which is Disney Treasure. It will be the sister ship to Disney Wish, and it will offer the same sorts of experiences, a few different designs, a different atrium. So I'm really forward to see what they come up with as new ideas for the new ship. And yeah, that was announced this week at D23. In these cruise news, I show my cruise memorabilia, and also in Wonder of the Seas, I'm going to buy some more. It's my favourite. We went straight away as soon as the shop opens. I've got the model, but I'll show that next week. It's all packed up. It's on my Instagram. Link is in the description to go and follow that. Just hit 1,000 followers, so thank you for that, everyone. So this is the hat. I have a hat for Symphony and Symphony and Harmony. It says inaugural season. So this is my Wonder of the Seas hat. This is inaugural season. So yeah, really happy with this one. It's a nice colour, and yeah, that will go straight in my hat collection. And yeah, the price of it, if you want to know, because for some reason it's all scratched out on all of them, it's $25. So I wrote quite a bit in that logo shop because I didn't know the prices, but you only hear one, so why not? The next bit of news I've got is from Carnival Cruise Line, and it's a brand new ship, Carnival Celebration, and it has left its shipyard to go and do a sea trial. It's going to be doing it in the Baltic as it's being built in Finland, and yeah, it gives us an opportunity to have a look at Icon a bit more that's being built there. But let's hope all the sea trials go well for Carnival Celebration. And the last bit of news this week is from Royal Caribbean, and it's Icon of the Seas. We've got a little bit of news this week. The bow has arrived at the shipyard in Finland, and if you look at the Facebook group that I have said before, you can really see the ship coming together. It really looks amazing. I'm really looking forward. Actually, because of the dates that the cruise line Royal Caribbean announced a few months ago, probably, it said that maybe Icon of the Seas will be announced to go on sale this week. But at the moment, we're just seeing the ship being built. It's very interesting to finally find out what it's going to look like and what things actually are things, because we have no idea what anything is. So we really look forward to it. Hopefully it should be announced this week, so I will be straight to go and book that if it is announced. That is all the news this week from Wonder of the Seas Central Park. Thank you so much for watching. I'd like to say thank you for 1k followers on Instagram. It's really much appreciated. Thank you so much. If you leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel, it would very much appreciated, and it really does help me out. Link is in the description below to go and follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, so go down there and press the links. Thank you for watching. It's been Shipface here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.